At Regain Hearing, we can properly test the health of your ears. We've got cameras to show you inside, and we have pressure tests that we can do to make sure that the health is good.
And we can do it in your home.
At Regain Hearing, we have the very best equipment available, including microsuction wax removal, which is the safest method.
And we can do it in your home.
At Regain Hearing, we have the very best hearing test equipment available, called audiometers, that can test the full range of your human hearing.
And we can do this in your home, and we don't need the booth.
At Regain Hearing, we think you deserve the very best hearing aids available. We've got every type you could ever need. They're comfortable, they sound really clear. We program them properly so they actually do what you want them to do. Most of all, they sound good.
And we can do it in your home.
Book in now to come and see us at Regain Hearing in one of our clinics, practices, or we can come to you.